Okay, students, good afternoon to all. Welcome to the MTG Logical Reasoning Demo class. So I am Rahul Makhija. I will be the co-teacher in this class. Okay, so Garima Jindal ma'am will be the teacher. She will guide you about the logical reasoning class. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt regarding to the session, you can raise your hand or you can ask your doubts in the chat box. Okay. So, Garima ma'am, please start the class.
Shall I start, Rahul sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the demo class for logical. I hope you all are in pink of your head, staying home and staying safe. I'm your trainer, Garima Jindal, and we have Rahul sir with us, my co-teacher, and will assist you all during this online session. Today, we'll learn an important topic from logical reasoning. Now, first of all, we learn about what is logical reasoning and what is the importance of logical reasoning. Can anybody tell me the importance of logical reasoning? Just raise their hands. Rahul sir, please unmute. Those can answer or those answer. Yes? Aryan Raj, please unmute yourself and tell me what is logical reasoning and what is the importance of logical reasoning.
Ma'am, I am Aryan Dikshit.
Sorry, मेरी screen पर I have two Aryans. One is Aryan Dikshit and one is Aryan Raj.
Ma'am, I am Aryan Dikshit.
Okay, Aryan Dikshit. Now Aryan Dikshit is on mute and Aryan Dikshit and Aryan Raj is on unmute. Okay, Aryan Raj, please answer.
Yeah, so logical reasoning is basically actually the importance in all the patterns you might come across to your day-to-day life. It may also like include numbers, billings, engineering, and then after that shapes also, and even ranking and even alphabets may come into this position. So it's basically what we come across in our day-to-day life.
Okay, so this is the answer of Aryan Raj. How many of you satisfied with Aryan Raj's answer? How many? Just raise the hands, I will count. Can anybody tell me the different answer? Okay, Shivam Sharma. Sharma, please unmute yourself and answer what is logical reasoning and what is the importance of logical reasoning.
Ma'am, of my microphone problem, I can't hear you. Now I'm hearing you.
Okay, I'm asking the importance of logical reasoning. How logical reasoning helps you people?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
Brain development. Brain development.
Okay. Okay, I think many of you know the answer. What is logical reasoning and what is the importance of logical reasoning? We know logical reasoning is an important part of the various Olympiad exams, right? You have also know that IMO, NC, NSO, NTSC, you can ask in any of the Olympiad exams logical reasoning questions, right? Now, logical reasoning helps us the development of our critical and decision making skills. All of you know what is the critical and decision making skills. Logical reasoning also helps us in this, right? Now we have divided logical reasoning in two parts. First is verbal and second is non-verbal, right? All of you agree? Now lower your hands and just जो भी agree है वो raise करेंगे. Logical reasoning parts में divide है, that is one is verbal reasoning and second is non-verbal reasoning. Agreed? All of you aware the logical reasoning part, verbal and non-verbal? Acha, how many of you know the direction sense test is the part of verbal reasoning? How many of you know? All of you know. Very good. ठीक है, सब जानते हैं लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इज सॉरी डायरेक्शन सेंस टेस्ट, जो आज हमारा टॉपिक है. टुडेज टॉपिक इज डायरेक्शन सेंस टेस्ट. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ वर्बल रीजनिंग, राइट? नाउ आई हैव क्वेश्चन. What is the meaning of direction sense test? Now, please, first of all of you lower your hand. Just lower your hand. Please, all of you low. Yes. Siddhant, please. Aryan, Arav, please lower your hands. Now my screen is visible, all of you. Is the screen is visible, all of you? Please, if the screen is visible to all of you, just thumbs up. Very good. Now Tanvi says yes. Okay, if anybody have any kind of problem, please just let me know. So the today's topic is direction sense test from verbal logical reasoning part. And we will be covering direction sense, types of direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise turn, fraction between two directions, angle between two directions, and last May we will practice questions from Olympiad, right? And also I have taken your doubts all. So just prepare your doubts and ask me in the end of class, or you can in the middle of class. Ask me the question, right? Now, first, I want to ask, how many of you know the direction sense? What is direction and where we have used directions? What is direction and where we have used direction? Two W's. Two W's, I need answer. Okay. Many of you raise your hands. Okay. Ahan, आप अपने आप को just unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, this is the session for class 4 and 5.
Sorry, I'm not getting what you want to know.
Ma'am, is this the session for class 4 and 5?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am from class 3. My Didi is in class 5.
Okay, so just tell your Didi to join the class. Okay, Ahan, I have asked a question. What is the meaning of direction sense? Just unmute yourself and tell me the answer. What is the meaning of direction sense? Are you? Okay, Parth, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, directions, there are many directions. Directions are type of two directions. One are main direction and one are intermediate directions. And in logical reasoning, we have used the directions like we have had questions like from left to right. If we remove two pictures from an arrangement like this, we have questions.
Okay. Now Nithya Sri, please, can you please tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Direct-
Parth.
Direction sense is there are 8 directions.
No need to be worried. If answer is wrong, that is also improve your skills. Just answer.
We can the direction sense we can do clockwise and anti-clockwise.
What is the meaning of clockwise direction?
Clockwise means the direction where the clock hands move.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Nitya. Okay, Arnish, you want to answer? Yes, beta. Unmute yourself. Thank you, Nitya. Please mute yourself. Arnish, yes.
Ma'am, actually, I have not answered the question. I want to tell this. I am from class 3.
Okay, and this topic is not in your syllabus, right?
Yes, I
Okay.
am from class 3.
See, Arnish, if you want to learn, this is from the starting. If you want to learn, you can stay in the class and it will be good for you. This
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
learning, right? So you can stay in the class and just learn a new topic, that is direction. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Akash, did you know the answer? Akash. Okay, now my time, चलिए जल्दी से मूव करते हैं हम अपने आंसर पे. डायरेक्शन सेंस. Sorry for the interruption. Now, direction sense is the ability to know a person's current location and then finding the correct way towards the destination. For example, see, this is point P, current location. And this is point Q, my destination. This is point P, my current location, and this is point Q, my destination. Now, to finding the correct way from the point P towards the point Q, from the point P towards the point Q, this is called the finding direction sense. And here we need direction sense. To finding the correct way from point P towards point Q, we need direction sense, right? Everyone agreed? Agreed? Just thumbs up. Very good. Now, types of direction. How many of know the types of direction? कितने टाइप के डायरेक्शंस होते हैं? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सबने दिखाए. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. आहान, वेरी गुड. आर्यन, वेरी गुड. अनीश, no, Anish beta, there are 4 types of direction. Let's see. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, all have heard east, west, north and south. These are 4 directions, right? सबने सुना है ना? Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west, right? So we have 4 directions: east, west, north and south. And the abbreviations, or you can say the short names of these directions: E for east, W for west, N for north and S for south. We have used E, W, N and S. Now, how we draw these 4 directions on the paper? First, we draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line. Now, on the right side of the horizontal line, we have east direction. On the left side of the horizontal line, we have west direction. On the top of the vertical line, we have north direction. And in the bottom of the vertical line, we have south direction. So this is the pictorial representation, or you can draw your 4 direction on the paper. Anybody have any kind of doubt? Please let me know and ask. Just raise your hand and ask. First, please, all of you lower your hand. नहीं तो मुझे लगेगा सबको doubt है. So this is the pictorial representation of 4 directions shown on your screen. Yes, Kardam, do you have any doubt? Okay, if you people have Any kind of doubt, please just let me know. Now, like the 4 main directions, we have 4 cardinal directions. Now, what are the cardinal directions? The directions lies between 2 main directions are known as cardinal direction. They see northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. These are 4 cardinal directions. Northeast is lying between north and east. Southeast is lying between east and south. Southwest is lying between south and west. And northwest is lying between north and west. Right? So these are 4 cardinal directions, and the abbreviations used for these directions are NE, NW, SE, and SW. Right? So till now we have learned about 4 main and 4 cardinal directions. Anybody have any kind of doubt or any kind of question? Please ask me. अगर नहीं है तो मैं अपना क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. Now my question is, which point is in the northwest of P? Question, options, and the picture is on your screen. Yes, Kardan, please. आपने रेज कर रखा हैंड बेटा. Any doubt? Yes. Unmute yourself and tell me. Patel.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you are studying which class book?
Beta, this is for the 4th and 5th. But this is the topic you can learn in 3 also. See, we have with Anish Bhattacharya, but he is in 3rd standard, but still he is learning this topic with us. Okay.
I am in 4th.
Okay, learn then. Okay, Koshani Chaudhary, please answer this question. Just unmute yourself and answer this question.
Ma'am, you are studying maths or science?
Beta, this is logical reasoning and the topic is direction sense.
No, ma'am, subject science, IMO or NSO?
This is used in IMO, NSO, or NCO. Okay, Koshani Chaudhary, please unmute yourself and answer this question. Okay, then Rishi Joshi.
Ma'am, now it is unmuted.
Okay, Koshani answer. Rishi, please, Koshani will answer. Okay.
So we can see the P point is right here. Now northwest means a direction which lies between north and west. So
Yes.
this will be the direction. So from P in this direction lies a point known as S. So the answer will be option B, S.
Very good, Koshani, very good. Okay, first we draw our 8 directions. Let's see how we have solved this question. First, we draw our 8 directions keeping P as center. Keeping P as center, we draw our 8 directions like this, right? So this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So this is northwest, this is southwest, southeast, and northeast. So this point is in the northwest of point P. Right? Parth? Agreed? Right, Rishi? Okay, Snehal. Right? Now, this is the pictorial representation of this answer. If anybody have any kind of doubt, please just let me know and unmute yourself and ask. Please. And you can leave your question or your query in chat box. Rahul sir with us and he will answer. Any kind of doubt, any kind of query, please leave your question or query in the chat box. We have Rahul sir with us. He will answer. Right? Now we move our next topic, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise turn. As the name describes, clockwise means moving with the hands of clock. How the clock's hand moves? Like this, right? So this is clockwise turn, or you can say right turn or clockwise turn. And what is anti-clockwise? Means the opposite direction of the hands of clock. That means like this. You can say this is anti-clockwise turn or left turn. So in the question, when you see left turn, that means anti-clockwise. And in the question, when you see right turn, that means clockwise turns. I will ask the questions related these topics. So just listen carefully, right? In the last. So this is the pictorial representation of the turns clockwise and anti-clockwise. The arrow shows the movement of the hands of the clock. This is anti-clockwise. Just concentrate on the direction or the movements of the arrows. Now all of you clear clockwise and anti-clockwise? Just thumbs up, thumbs up. Dr. Akshita, thumbs up kariye agar if you know learn the anti-clockwise and clockwise. Very good. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
question. Who will answer this question? Okay, Akshita, aap hi kariye.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Yuvraj.
Okay, Yuvraj, aap kariye answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Rishi, read carefully and answer fast in the chat box. Rishi, I'm talking with you. Just fast. Abhinav, you also. Abhinav Kulkarni, please just answer in the chat box. Rahul sir will check. Okay, Snehal. Snehal wants to answer. Snehal, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it is west.
Sorry?
Ma'am, it is west.
And the solution.
No, Yuvraj. Yes, Snehal.
And the solution will be C, north.
Very good, Snehal. The solution will be north. Now see how. First, we draw our 4 directions. North, east, south, and west. Right? Now, keeping center as Ron's position or P. This is Ron's initial position. Now, from his original position, he went 15 kilometers to the north. So, 15 kilometers to the north. Right? Everybody agreed? Very good. Then he turned left. Left means anti-clockwise. That means that this type of turn. So he moved here and walk 10 kilometers. Right? Then again he turned left. That means in this direction and covered 5 kilometers. Right? Then again he turned left and covered 10 kilometers. Right? So this distance and this distance should be same. Now this is Ron's final position and this is Ron's current position. So this is the final position and current position. So he is in the north. He is in the north of his initial position. Clear? Everybody? Yuvraj, clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these are cardinal directions.
Sorry?
Ma'am, these are cardinal directions.
Okay. If anybody have any kind of doubt, please leave your question in the chat box. So this is the representation of this question visible on your screen. If yes, Shrutika, any doubt? Yes?
Ma'am, I
don't understand Hindi.
Sorry.
No, ma'am, I only understand English.
Okay, I am talking in English also.
Louder pesu.
Okay, fraction between two directions. Now, fraction, this topic, you already learned? Fraction topic is learned? All of you are aware about the fraction? Now, what is the fraction if I divide this whole in 4 equal parts? Then what is the fraction of each equal part? What is the fraction of each equal part?
Ma'am, 1/4.
Very good, Yuvraj. 1/4. So now assume this is whole, right? This is whole. So these are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Right, Shrutika? These are 4 equal parts. And what is the fraction of each equal part? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Right? So the fraction between two main directions, that means north and east, is 1/4. East and south is 1/4. South and west is 1/4. And west and north is 1/4. So like our 4 main direction, we have 4 cardinal directions. See? Now this time we divide this whole in 4 equal parts, like 1, then 2, 3, and 4, right? So fraction between these two cardinal direction is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. So we have learned the fraction between two main or two cardinal directions is 1/4. Yes, Shrutika, Abhinav, do you have any doubt? Shrutika and Abhinav Kulkarni.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Yuvraj.
Ma'am, northeast and southeast are not intermediary directions.
These are cardinal directions, beta. These
Ma'am,
are not main. Cardinal. Yes.
Ma'am, so which directions are intermediary?
Intermediate directions are not in your syllabus. So just not confuse yourself. Learn main and cardinal directions.
Okay.
Okay, Abhinav, do you have any doubt? Okay, so we have learned the fraction between two main or two cardinal directions is 1/4. Yes, yes. Please, just tell your name. Okay. Like fraction between two main or cardinal directions, we have the fraction between one main and one cardinal direction. Right? Right? Now, can anybody tell me what is the fraction between north and northeast? Can anybody tell me? Yes, Moksha. Moksha, please unmute yourself and tell me what is the fraction between north and northeast. Okay, Nithya wants to answer. Nithya Sri, please.
1/8.
Very good, very good.
It's 1/.
There are 8 parts with
Very nice. Now this time this whole is divided into 8 equal parts and the fraction of each equal part is 1/8. Very good, Nithya. Clear to everybody? Just thumbs up. If clear, just thumbs up. Very good, Anish. So the fraction between one main and one cardinal direction is 1/8. Now, likewise fraction, we have angle. How many of you learned about angle? Okay, Snehal learned, Yuvraj learned. Okay, many of you learned about angles. So likewise
I didn't
fraction.
learn.
Yes, who? Who?
I didn't learn the angles.
Okay, learn here. See how these two lines intersect. These lines intersect perpendicularly or at 90 degree, right? If you know about angle, you know this concept, north and east. So the angle between two main directions and two cardinal directions is 90 degree. And the angle between one main and one cardinal direction is 45 degrees. See how? Now we have one ray that is east and one ray that is north. Now this ray, which is northeast, intersect the angle formed with north and east, bisects this angle, and the measure of this angle is 90 degree. Now bisect means in two equal parts. Now if I divide 90 degree in two equal parts, the measure of each angle is 45 degree. So
Ma'am, 45 is half of 90.
yes, sorry.
Ma'am, 45 is half of 90.
Very good, very good. Angle between one main and one cardinal direction is 45 degree, right? Just thumbs up. If everyone agreed, please thumbs up. Arav Shrivastava.
45 degree.
Now clear? If clear, just answer this question. Read carefully and Arav will answer this question. Arav, please answer this question. First off, yes, unmute yourself. I just want to know if anybody have any kind of doubt, please ask me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say the answer?
Sorry.
Ma'am, it is park.
It park. No. Okay.
No.
No, park is not the correct answer. Okay, Prateek will answer.
Ma'am, library.
Yuvraj, please mute yourself. Okay, Prateek will answer. Where is Prateek? Yes. Prateek, tell me the answer of this question.
And the answer is library.
Very good. So the correct answer is library. How?
Ma'am,
Nisha, yes.
Ma'am, how
Yes?
it is library? The answer will be club, ma'am.
No, beta, the answer is library. Now see how. Nisha is facing southeast. First, I write my directions. North, east, south and west. Now this is northeast. This is southeast. This is southwest. And this is northwest. Right?
Sorry, ma'am, I
Nisha is
did.
facing southeast. That means Nisha is facing temple. Now she turns 3 right angles clockwise. That means first clockwise means how clock moves like this. So first right angle, then second right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. 90 degree clockwise. So this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree and the third turn and the third 90 degree. Now, after third turn or third right angle, she will be facing library. Clear to everybody? So the correct answer is library. Clear?
Sorry,
Now
ma'am,
clear?
I did anti-clockwise.
Very good. This is the pictorial representation of this answer shown on your screen. Read, and if you have any kind of doubt, please leave your doubt in the chat box. Now, some tips and tricks. I'm just explaining one. This is our north direction. Now, if I want to move right, we'll be facing east. if I want to move left from when I'm facing north and I want to move left, I will be facing west. And if I am facing west and I want to move left, I will be facing south. And if I want to move right, I will be facing north. Similarly, for the south and for the east, if I am facing south and wants to move right, I will be facing west. And if I want to move and I will be facing east. And if I'm facing east, want to move right, I will be facing south. And if I'm facing east and want to move left, I will be facing north. Clear to everybody? Very good. Now, any doubt? Any kind of doubt? Unmute yourself and tell me your doubt. Now, don't leave in chat box. Just tell me your question. I'm counting till 5. If you people do not have any kind of doubt, then solve my questions. 1, 3, 4, 5. So, nobody have any kind of doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me your name.
Ma'am, how will we know in which angle? If Ria is standing here, then is she looking into our southeast or some other, or the library southeast?
Sorry, beta, I'm not getting.
How do you know, ma'am? How do you know that Rita is looking in this direction when it was southeast? Southeast.
Beta, which kind? Can you please show your question?
Ma'am, the question is which you're saying, the answer was D, library.
Yes.
Rita was facing.
Nisha is facing.
Nisha is facing some direction. How can you say that she is facing to this direction?
Beta, see, just read the question carefully. First, read the question carefully. Nisha is facing
southeast.
Southeast, right? So where is southeast?
Temple.
She will be facing temple, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then she will move. She turns how many degrees? 3 right angles. That means 3.
Ma'am, that means 270 degrees she's turning towards the right.
270 degrees. That means one turn, first turn, second turn, and the third turn in clockwise direction. She will be facing library. Yes, Koshani?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Koshani. Please unmute yourself and tell me your doubt.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the previous slide, you just showed the tips and tricks of directions and not being able to understand the tips and tricks.
Sorry.
Please repeat that. Ma'am, will you please repeat the tips and tricks of directions?
Okay, tips and tricks, the directions. Just draw 4 directions on your paper. North, east, south, and west. Now, if I'm asking, I am facing north and I want to move right, then in which direction I will be facing? Will I be facing? Tell me. Just draw your 4 directions on paper. Kushani, draw 4 directions on paper, and everybody draw 4 directions on the paper. North, east, south, and west. Fast. I taught how to draw the 4 directions on the paper. And please show me like this. Please show me like this. Yes, I can see Nithya.
Ma'am, can you explain the last slide again?
Last slide, that means tips and tricks.
Yes, ma'am.
That is this slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody wants to learn. Okay. I am asking a question from Koshani. Yes, Nithya, very good. Anish, आप show करिए. Just show me your 4 directions drawn on paper. Shivam, आप show करिए. Just show me your 4 directions. Very good. Aryan, Parth, everybody, where is Aryan? Koshani, show me 4 directions you drawn on paper. Very good, Shivam. Okay, my question is, if I am facing north and I want to move right, I am facing, very good, and I want to move right. In which
East.
direction will I face?
East.
Very good. So this is the slide. And if I am facing north and I want to move towards left, then in which direction will I face? Koshani, in which direction will I face?
West.
Right? So what is the doubt?
Actually, in this tips and tricks figure, I am confused about the arrows.
Okay. Just read carefully. It will be clear to you. Shivam, the question is for you. If I am facing east, and I want to move towards left, then in which direction will I face? Just unmute yourself, Shivam. Please unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Okay, Arnish, you will answer? Will you be answer? Arnish?
North.
North. Very good. Shivam, I am not able to see what you want to show. Please write little bit big. Please write little bit big. Okay. Now my question is for the Parth. If I am facing east and I moving towards south direction, then will I move right or left? My question is, I am facing east and I move towards left. Sorry, towards south. East face and I want to move towards south. Then in which, right or left? Just tell me the answer, right or left, Parth. Okay, Shivam, do you want to answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Please tell me your name.
Ma'am, Snehal.
Okay, Snehal, please answer.
Ma'am, the answer will be left.
No, beta, right. I am facing east. Just see, I am facing east, and if I moving right, I will be facing south. If I am facing east and I move right, right means clockwise turn, like this, I will be facing south. Where? South, right? Now clear
Yes,
to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, any doubt? If not, please solve my answer question. The question is on your screen with the options. Read the question carefully and options, and then relax your mind and answer me the question. Read carefully.
Ma'am, the answer will be
No, just raise your hand. I will ask. Okay, Koshani wants to answer. Nithya wants to answer. Okay, Tanvi wants to answer. More. I want more students. Kushani, Nithya, Snehal, Tanvi, ये सब तो all are the star kids हो गए हैं. Yes, Anik, I want to answer. I from the Anik. Anik, please answer this question. Just unmute yourself, beta, Anik. Okay, Abhinav Kulkarni, please. Do you want to answer, Abhinav? Okay, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Done.
Now Shivam wants to answer. Let's see what is the Shivam's answer. Okay, Shivam, unmute yourself. Beta, I can't hear you. First, unmute yourself. Gaurish, to answer?
Can you say the answer? Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Gaurish. Please answer.
Ma'am, answer is there. A 225 degrees.
Very good, Gaurish. Very good. Now let's see how. If Mohit is facing sports club. Now, Mohit is facing sports club. That means here. He turns in anti-clockwise direction to face the airport. Anti-clock means like this, right? So, he moved like this, right? So, what angle did he turn through? What angle did he turn through? We know, first I write my directions, east and south and west, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Now I know the angle between two cardinal directions is 90 degree. That means this angle is 90 degree. The angle between these two cardinal directions is 90 degree. And the angle between this cardinal direction and this main
45.
direction is 45 degree. So the total
45
angle he turned
90
through
plus
is
90 plus 40.
plus 45 degree. That means
25.
225 degree. So the correct answer is 225 degree. Right? Clear to everybody? Just show thumbs up. If clear to everybody, just thumbs up. Rishi, very good. Lost. You seem lost. Okay, clear, Rishi? Very good. Okay, Ashwini ko nahi. Ashwini. Beta, see the angle between. Here is Mohit is facing. Right? Now these are my directions. And I know the direct angle between two cardinal direction is 90 degree. So here the cardinal directions are southeast, northeast and northwest. So the angle between southeast and northeast is 90 degree. Northeast and northwest is 90 degree. And the angle between one cardinal and one main direction is 45 degree. So the total angle is 90 plus 90 plus 45. That means 225 degree. Right? Okay. Dhanush Patel. Yes. Any query? All right. So this is the pictorial representation of the question shown on your screen. Just read. If not clear, please let me know. Read carefully and let me know if you have any kind of query. Yes, Ashwani, do you have any kind of query? You do not understand the answer. See, this is Mohit face, right? I'm talking to you, Ashwini. Now, the angle between this cardinal direction and this cardinal direction is 90 degree, right? Now, the cardinal direction again, this is 90 degree, right? And this is main direction. So angle between this cardinal and this main direction is 45 degree, right? So total angle kitna hua? How much? 90 plus 90 plus 45. That means 225 degree. Clear? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ashwini. Now, next question is shown on your screen. Read the question carefully and answer the question. And this time I want to answer from some new student or okay. Jay Thakur. Jay Thakkar. Jay. Yes, just read the question carefully and answer this. Jay, Shagun and Shnaya. Please, ready. If Jay won't be able to answer, then Shagun. If Shagun is not, then Shanaya.
Isha is facing the Doraemon. She first makes an half turn to her left and then 5 by 8
Pratik, I know you know the answer.
me.
Okay, Trishesh also knows.
From which paper is this?
Sorry.
From which paper is this?
I'm not getting beta. What do you want to?
From which paper is this from? Is this question from?
From which?
From which paper?
This is from NSA paper, dear.
Yeah, this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Which latest workbook in which chapter?
Yes, Jay. Just tell me the answer, Jay.
ma'am, it is D.
D, Minnie Mouse.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, Shagun, is it right? Jay is right, Shagun. Ridhima, is Jay is correct? Very good. Trijesh, is Jay is correct? Just show me thumbs up if Jay is correct, Trijesh. Okay. Shagun, very good. ठीक है? Now Ashwini. Ashwini, is Jay is correct? Gaurish, yes. Do you have any doubt, Gaurish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me.
Correct, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. Minnie Mouse is correct.
Very good. So Minnie Mouse is correct. Now let's see how.
The correct answer.
1 by 2 to Doraemon is Tweety and 5 by 8 to Tweety is Minnie Mouse.
Very good. Very good. Now Trisha is facing Doraemon. That means this is Trisha is facing. Trisha's face is Doraemon. Now she makes 1/2 turn to her left. 1/2 means like this. To her left. Left means anti-clockwise. Right? Left means anti-clockwise. So half turn means this. This is the full turn and this is the half turn. Now she is facing Tweety. Right? Now 1 by 8 turns. We know this is 1 by 8. This is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 by 8 and again 1 by 8. How many 1 by 8s? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the last, Trisha will be facing Minnie Mouse. Right? Now anybody have any kind of doubt, please just show me your question or you can ask me the question. Yes, just tell me your name and ask your question.
My name is Poushani Chaudhary and my doubt is Tweety is going to Minnie Mouse by going to Tweety is right by 5.
Beta see. First she turns left. That means anti-clockwise. Then she turns 5 by 8 to her right. That means clockwise. And how clock moves? Like this. This is the way clock hands move.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Just tell me your name and ask me the question. Are you getting me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
from which class is this? From which class is this question from?
This is from the 4th standard.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear to everybody? Just show me the thumbs up if clear to everybody. Arka Gupta? Very good. Aryan Dikshit, clear? Ishan, clear? Okay, Mariam, clear? Kashvi, clear? Okay, anybody have any kind of doubt, please ask me. Shubham, clear? Now we move to the next question. The next and the representation of this question should be like this and shown on your screen. Now the next question is on your screen. Let's see who will answer this question. Question with question figure and with the options. Let's see who will answer this question. Now Srishti Pandey. Srishti Pandey, just read the question carefully. This time I want answer from yourself. From your side. Just answer this question. Read carefully. Srishti, Megha and Shrutika. Yes, Srishti.
Chetna is facing towards church.
Yes.
He turns 90-degree clockwise and 35 anti-clockwise. Then she facing.
Okay, Shubham. Shubham, do you want to answer?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Please tell me your name.
Nitya, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, answer. Please answer.
The answer will be hospital.
Okay, very good. Now let's see how. Chetna is facing towards church. That
When she turns
Yeah.
90
Now
degrees
first
clockwise,
she turns 90-degree clockwise. 90-degree clockwise. Clockwise means like this, right? So from here 90-degree is this. Clear to everybody? Agreed? Now facing school. Now 135-degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise should be like this. Now 90, and what is the breakup of 135-degree? 90 plus 45? Breakup of 135-degree. So this is 90 and this is 45. This is 90 and this is 45. She will be facing to the hospital. If it is not clear, please raise your hand or show me thumbs down. If not clear, very good Riddhima, clear hai Riddhima. Then Shubham clear, Pratik clear, very good. Naitik clear. Okay, Shrishti clear, very good. Shrutika clear up, clear, very good. Shagun clear, very good. Now the next question is the screen and the options also. Now this time, yeah, Diya will answer. Diya, answer from your side. Read it carefully and answer me the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please tell me the answer, Diya.
Ma'am, right now I'm reading the question.
Okay. Okay, Megha Pal. Megha Pal. Do you want to answer?
Ma'am, the answer will be west.
First, tell me your name. Who will answer this question?
Vidya, ma'am.
Okay.
This question is from which book?
Which book? This is from IMO. Yeah? Are you getting the answer? Okay, Shrishti,
Ma'am,
do you want to answer?
west. The answer will be west.
No, wrong. Shrishti, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Shrishti, beta, first unmute yourself. Yes. Now tell me the answer.
It will be the E1.
It will be the
E1, not west.
no. Dhanush, do you want to answer?
B.
No. So yes, who tell B?
B. B, ma'am.
Just tell me your name.
Just Srinidhi.
Okay, everybody agreed with B? East. Now let's see how. First, I draw my all the directions. Right? Now, the minute hand rotates 270 anti-clockwise. What is the breakup of 270? The breakup of 270 is 90 plus 90 plus 90, right? The breakup of 270 is 90 plus 90 plus 90. Now the turn is anti-clockwise. That means in this direction. Anti-clock means this direction. Now the minute hand is at 12, and when I'm moving in the anti-clockwise direction, the first 90, the second 90, and the third 90. And this direction is east. This is west and this is south. So minute hand will be facing or will be in the east after 270 anti-clockwise turn. Is the answer is clear to everybody? Just thumbs up. Very good, Shagun. Arushi, clear to you? Okay, any doubts in this class? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Rahul sir is with us. Rahul sir, do any student have any doubt in chat box?
No, ma'am. I think all of the doubts are clear.
All right. So just revise what we have learned in this class. We have revised about types of directions. We have 4 main directions: east, west, north, and south. We have 4 cardinal directions: northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Cardinal directions are lying between 2 main directions, right? We have learned about anti-clockwise and clockwise turn. Anti-clock and clockwise turns, as the name describes, moving in the hands of the direction of clock, right? We have learned about fractions between 2 main directions, cardinal directions, 1 main and 1 cardinal direction. Also, we have learned about angle between 2 main or 2 cardinal directions and 1 main and 1 cardinal directions. Now, my question is,
Excuse me, teacher.
yes,
Teacher, can you please explain this question in the given clock if the minute hand rotates
Yes.
270 degrees?
yes,
Please
definitely. Just wait. To do any question, first I or everybody draw our directions. Now these are my directions. This is north, This is east, this is south, and this is west, right? Clear? Now 270 degree. What is the first 270 degree? Breakup of 270 degree is 90 plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. Clear? Just show me thumbs up if clear. Very good. Now in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clock means this is the way anti-clockwise, right? Just show the thumbs up if clear. Very good. Now the minute hand shows in the north, that means at 12. Clear? When we move in the anti-clockwise, if I'm moving clockwise, I move like this, right? Now anti-clockwise, 1, 90, second 90, and the third 90. So in the end, the minute hand will be facing in east direction. Okay, clear to everybody? Okay, any doubt in any kind of learning? We have learned 4 topics. Any doubt? Any kind of doubt? If not, then my question is shown on your screen. So first question is, what are the main directions? Who will answer this question? Okay, SM, 1 Arushi SM. Just tell me the answer. What are the main directions?
Ma'am, can I answer the second question?
Yes, please. What is the question? Just tell me your name and tell me, ask me the question.
In this revision page, I want to answer the second question.
You want to answer the second question. You don't want to answer the first question.
I wanted to
Ma'am,
both
the
of them.
directions are east, west, north, south, and northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast.
The first question is, what are the main directions? So first answer is north, east, west, and
East,
south. News, N-E-W-S, news, just learn. N-E-W-S, news. And what are the 4 cardinal directions? Northeast,
Northeast,
northwest, yes.
northeast,
All of you unmute. and tell me.
southwest.
Very good. Very good. Now, question is, if you are sitting in north direction, just imagine everybody, if you are sitting in or you can face in north direction and a person is walking towards you. A person is walking towards you. And after walking a few meters, he takes a right turn. Then in which direction is he moving?
West.
West.
Very good. Very good. That means the class is not full, if clear to everybody. Now, 4th question. Can anybody read it for me?
In which direction?
In which direction sun rises and sets?
Very good.
Sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
Very nice. What is clockwise and anti-clockwise turn?
Clockwise turn.
Clockwise turn is right turn and anti-clockwise turn is left
Very
turn.
nice. Clap for everybody.
Opposite to
Clap
the
and thumbs up for everybody. Okay, any kind of doubt? Or should I end the class?
Okay, students, we have shared a link in the chat box for feedback about class. Please share your feedback about today's class through the link that I have shared in the chat box. And if you have any queries related to this class, please drop a mail at mtgonlineclass@mtg.in.
Ma'am,
Yes. Just tell me your name first.
Ma'am, can my parents contact with you personally?
Sorry, I'm working with MTG. So you can call me from through MTG only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now
So I hope this is for the session today.
Excuse me, teacher, I'm having one doubt.
yes, please.
Teacher, the one question you asked in clockwise and anti-clockwise practice question, that one man went to north direction
and then turned left and and covered 10 kilometers.
Wait. I'm getting this line. The first question, I guess, right?
Teacher, I think second one.
Okay. Just stop me when I have reached there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the revision question slide, before that slide there was a in morning, in
Teacher, this one. Teacher, this one.
This
Teacher,
one.
this one only.
Okay. Wait, I'm telling the answer of this question or solution of this question. Wait. Again, I will explain this question to you. Just read it carefully. Right? First, we read. From his house, Ron went 15 kilometers. What is the name? Who will ask this question?
Teacher, Shranya asked this question.
Okay, Ananya.
Shranya.
Okay, Shranya, listen carefully, beta. Ron went 15 kilometers. See arrow? You can see arrow?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now this is point P. First, I draw my 4 directions: north, east, south, and west. Now, from the point P, keeping P as the center or Ron's house, right? Keeping P.
Yes, teacher.
Now, Ron went 15 kilometers towards north. Clear?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Then he turned left. Left means anti-clockwise. Now, when I move anti-clockwise, how I move?
Teacher, to the left.
To the left. Very good. Like this, right? So,
Yes, teacher.
here, when I want to move left, I move like this. And I went 10 kilometers.
10
right?
kilometers.
Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Then again, Ron facing west. Now, Ron facing west.
West.
Right? Now again, wait. Now again, he turns left. Again, he turns left. That means when he is facing west and wants to move left, where he will be facing? South?
Teacher, to the west.
To the south, beta. When he is facing west and wants to move left, he is facing west.
Yes, to the south. Yes, teacher, south.
That means this direction.
Yes, teacher.
Now, finally, again, he is turning left and wants to move 10 kilometers. The distance 10 kilometers and this distance 10 kilometers should be same to get the correct answer. Okay. So this should be same. Now 10 kilometers and 10 kilometers. Now here, this is Ron's final position. This is Ron's initial position. So he is in the north of his original position.
Thank you, teacher.
Now clear?
Yes, teacher.
ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
ma'am, before the revision question, there was a slide in evening. Ma'am, will you please show that slide?
I'm not getting what you want to ask, beta. Your internet connection is unstable, maybe.
You showed us the revision question a little while ago.
Wait, I am getting the slide. Wait.
So the slide before the revision slide means in that slide there was in morning, in evening, this kind of thing.
Yes.
What is that slide?
So you want to know about that slide? Very curious and very fast.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen what I skipped. You're talking about this slide, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is just for your knowledge, or you can say I want to tell you the shadow based question, but because of time limit, I cannot explain this topic. In the morning during sunrise, where the sun rises? In the east direction. And at the time of sunrise in the morning, if a man is standing, the shadow of the man falls always on the west. You can see, if the time of sun rises, or the shadow of anybody, any man can fall on the west. That means opposite. In the evening, during the sunset, sun sets in the west, right? So at the time of sunset or in the evening, if a man is standing, the shadow of the man always fall on the east. That means opposite. Again, at 12 o'clock, there is no shadow at this time, because the sun is exactly above our head. So there is no shadow, right? We have one question on this. One morning, Sonu and Akhil were standing facing each other. Sonu's shadow fell towards his right. 1 minute. Hello. हाँ, एक Friends, now the class is ended. If you have any kind of doubt, please leave your answer. You leave your doubts in the chat box, or you can mail us. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you everybody.